So, you are doing your workouts daily and still not getting results. Working hard in the gym and not building enough muscles. Well, the first thing you are doing wrong is overtraining. Training breaks your muscle tissues, and then repairs it afterwards. It might seem logical that the more you work out, the more muscle you'll build. However, this isn't the case, as training too often can cause your body to burn out because your body will not be getting the rest time. This can increase your stress hormones, leading to injuries and even sickness, as it can suppress your immune system, so don't overtrain your muscles. Not drinking enough water. Your body is made up of 2/3 water. Out of that, 2/3 of that water is found in your muscle. Your muscle cells are made of protein and water, and if you want to gain more muscles, you need to increase your water intake. The usual 6 to 8 glasses a day is good, but a more accurate approach is to drink half your weight in ounces of water each day. So, with 150-pound example, you should be drinking approximately 75 ounces of water a day. The average cup has about 8 ounces, this equals around 9 cups a day, so try to keep up your water drinking regularly. Not getting enough sleep. Sleep is going to be serious for muscle building. I mean super important. After nutrition, sleep is what encourages your body to repair and recover. If you deprive yourself of sleep, you're interrupting the growth and repair process. Sleep deprivation can elevate your stress hormones, that makes the body fat, and lowers the energy levels down. So please keep your phone away and take a good 8 hours sleep. Not eating enough carbs. If you're working out hard, you will need energy, and your body can get it through the form of glucose from carbohydrates. These carbs will help push you in the gym to lift more weights, leading to better muscle building results. It is important to keep your carb intake clean. You can do this by opting for complex carbohydrates like rice, oats, and sweet potatoes. Don't believe in bro science, eat carbs, because we are not going in any competition. You don't have to be at 5 or 6% body fat. Not using the mind-muscle connection. This may seem weird, but it is important to be mindful of the muscle you are working. For example, if you are doing a bicep exercise, you have to focus on the bicep, and the squeezing to produce the maximum muscle building. If you are doing bicep curls and just going through the motion, you're not fully engaging the bicep. Focus on the muscles you are using, consciously contract and squeeze them to make them grow bigger and stronger. All the other muscles also need muscle-mind connection, so don't forget about those too. You're not getting enough nutrients each day. You may eat a good amount of carbs and protein, but you still need all the micronutrients important for muscle growth. If you are deficient in certain vitamins and minerals, it can throw your body off. You need a good fruit and vegetable intake. You can add a multivitamin supplement to your diet. As you all know, these days, chemicals are being used in vegetables. We should be careful in choosing the right products. Not eating enough. All the time in the gym pounding away at the weights, may be all for nothing, if you're not taking enough calories. This is because, without being in calorie surplus, you will make muscle building very difficult for yourself. It is important to remember, calories are needed to fuel your workouts, and to help your muscles to repair and grow. Calorie counting is far from a perfect science, but to get a rough idea of how much you need to build muscle, you have to multiply your weight in pounds by 15 to 17. Thanks for watching this video. However, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like, and smash the subscribe button. I will see you guys in the next one. Oh yes, wait, one more thing, please stay away from junk foods.